Hello, welcome to our booth. My name is Özkan Edirne. I'm the Managing Director of Groz-Beckert Turkey Sales Office. Groz-Beckert is the leading provider of industrial machine needles, system parts, and services for producing textiles and joining textiles. Groz-Beckert has 31 sales offices worldwide, and Groz-Beckert Turkey sales office was established in 2015. Groz-Beckert Turkey sales office is responsible for mainly Turkish market, but also some Central Asian markets. At ITM 2024 exhibition, we are presenting a wide range of new products and our latest innovations. For example, Circular Knitting product group is presenting innovative LC Max circular knitting machine needle with wave-shaped shank geometry to reduce the energy costs in the knitting process. The flat knitting product group is putting the spatial application needles for producing technical textiles and medical textiles into the center of attention. The leg wear product group and bark knitting product groups are presenting continuously increasing system parts product portfolio and module. For our customers in weaving industry, we are presenting two weaving preparation machines on our booth. The Knotmaster tying machine and Warp Plus automatic drawing in machine. Automatic drawing machine Warpmaster Plus is extremely efficient process.